Hari Om, Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 7, Verse 5. Jnana Vijnana Yoga. In the last verse, Bhagavan described his lower nature, which is eightfold, that we have seen, which consists of Bhumi, that is earth, Apo, water, Analo, fire, Vayu, air, Kam, space, Mano, mind, Buddhi, intellect, and Ahankara, that is ego. 8 elements. So Bhagavan said, Ashtata, that is eight, eight, uh, 8 elements of my lower nature. That is what Bhagavan said in the previous verse. Now, verse 5. Apareyam yitattvanyam prakritim vitti me param jiva budam mahabhago yayetam daryate jagat. Now, Bhagavan is talking about his higher nature. Bhagavan has two powers. For example, we used to say X has got two qualities. One is he is a hungry man, but he is also a pious person. Similarly, Bhagavan has two natures. One is lower and the other is higher. The lower nature we have seen in the last verse, which are representing 8 elements. These eight elements are absolutely useless unless it has the touch of life principle. Suppose if I say I had the opportunity to go to Himalayas once. When I was in Delhi, I used to go to Rishikesh once in a year, 4 days, 5 days, I used to go. From there, I went to Himalayas. I met a sannyasi there. That sannyasi had a wonderful, he's a special powers. He can make the water speak or earth speak. I met him, but if I say this, then you will laugh at me. This fellow is a fraud. He is trying to do something, hypnotize or do something for me. How can a earth or water speak? Impossible. That will be your thinking pattern. But if you examine yourself scientifically and seriously, what are you? You are nothing but a combination of earth plus water, fire, air, and space. But you are speaking. I am proving it now. You said 1 minute back, if I said earth is speaking, you will not believe it. But what are you? You are also a earth, no? Who am I? I am also an earth. How we are speaking? It is because of the touch of life. Without the touch of life, we all will be reduced to the same 5 elements of nature. With touch of life, we are a functioning equipment. Another example which I can give is, you have all the electrical equipments in your house. Let us say bulb, fan. Everybody we will be having all this. Fridge, geyser, air conditioner, TV, etc. But if there is no electricity, what is the use of all these instruments? Hence, all the electrical equipments are lower in nature. Electricity is higher in nature. These equipments, these electrical equipments were not there 100 years back. Electricity was there. It may not have been tapped, but it was there. It is always higher in nature. Similarly, Bhagavan says, Apareyam yidatvanyam prakritim vitti me param jiva budam mahabhago yayetam daryate jagat. Apara iyam, that is my lower nature. Bhagavan already said, we have already seen. Again, I need not have to repeat that 8 elements represents his lower nature. Then he says, Prakritim vitti me param. He says the para nature, higher nature. What is his higher nature? Jiva bhudam mahabhago. The life principle. Mahabhago, a mightily armed fellow, Arjuna. Jiva bhudam, the life principle. It is of my higher nature. Why it is his higher nature? Because yayetam daryate jagat. That is the one, that is the consciousness which sustains this entire jagat, that is the universe. The entire play of life is sustained by consciousness, like the white screen in a movie theater. Hence, it is of higher nature. That is what Bhagavan is saying in verse 5. Again, verse 5. Apareyam yitastvanyam prakritim viddhi me param jiva bhudam mahabhago yayetam daryate jagad. Next verse we will see tomorrow. Hari Om Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu. Narayana 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 Narayana.